Toni-Ann, the day is finally here. Right now I'm just more anxious to see you than anything else at this point in time. We know each other in and out. I mean, more and more each day as we drew closer to today. I'm really looking forward to our future together. So, I know that we're solid for the future. So, let's just make this happen. Alright, love you. See you later.
If I could be honest, here in this moment, I've been so nervous to stand here with you. They're all here for us, and I feel their aura. But just for a moment, I'll pretend it's just you. Yes, they can hear us, but they don't understand. I have said all of my vows behind the curtain. I know they see us, but they don't stand a chance. I have kissed those lips 1,000 times before this. Tomorrow I'll open my eyes and I will whisper to my wife, I belong to you. And I will wait to hear you say, as a tear rolls down your face, I belong to you. If I could be honest, here at the altar, I refuse to grow older unless it's with you. I fell in love and made you a promise, though I'd never noticed how much it meant to you. Yes, they can hear us, but they misunderstand. There is more behind these words that we have spoken. I know they see us, but only at a glance. Only you know the man that I am beyond the surface. Tomorrow I'll open my eyes and I will whisper to my wife, I belong to you. And I will wait to hear you say, as a tear rolls down your face, I belong to you.
I've been given the prestigious task today of toasting the bride. Toni is the warmest person. She's very direct, so she'll tell you what she thinks. She's very sincere, and now to me, she's even more than a friend. She's more like family. Toni-Ann, keep on doing what you're doing. You're a blessing to George as he grows. You rub off on him. So I want to thank the Lord for blessing George with Toni.
She is also wise beyond her years. Whenever she starts a phrase with, "Let me tell you something," get your pen and paper ready, because she means business. True love is rare in the world we live in today, but true friendship is even rarer. Today I stand proudly beside this couple, my best friend, my sister, and now my best friend-in-law, to celebrate their union.